Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Director General CERN, Dr. Rolf Hewer, Chairman PAEC, Dr. Ansar Parvez, guests, ladies and gentlemen, I am very pleased to be here to witness the ceremony where Pakistan formally becomes the associate member of CERN. It is indeed a landmark moment in the development of science in our country. I also take this opportunity to thank DG CERN and the CERN Council for recognizing the efforts, hard work, and the capabilities of scientists, engineers, and technicians, and for allowing Pakistan to become a part of the unique, prestigious, and leading institution of scientific research. Today's event is also a testimony to the fact that whenever provided an opportunity, the people of Pakistan are capable of standing up to any international standard. Here I must say to the scientific community of Pakistan that the CERN associate membership is not a goal. Rather, it is a means to pursue, acquire, and achieve new scientific and engineering knowledge and expertise. Our people must use this opportunity to interact closely with the international community and bring back new ideas and expertise and raise the scientific and technological level of this country. This associate membership also provides an opportunity to our industrialists and businessmen, and our companies can now participate in construction and engineering work carried out at CERN. Already, Pakistan Atomic Energy Commission and National Center for Physics have been contributing, and their work has also been recognized by CERN. I will urge the Pakistani business entrepreneurs to get involved and take advantage of this opportunity. Ladies and gentlemen, my government is committed to the well-being and prosperity of our people. We are facing many challenges in Pakistan. We have to work hard to eradicate poverty from our country and to raise the living standard of our people. I firmly believe that this is not only through education and advancement in science and technology that this is only possible through education and advancement in science and technology that we can aspire to bring peace and prosperity to people of Pakistan. As the relationship between CERN and Pakistan grows, new avenues will also open for our youth. CERN can offer numerous opportunities to our young scientists and engineers to benefit from the state-of-the-art expertise available at CERN and the associated European laboratories. There should be a comprehensive program to achieve this objective. I will ask the Chairman PAEC to closely work with the Higher Education Commission and the Ministry of Science and Technology to develop and chart out a future program so that our youth can derive maximum benefit out of this opportunity. Thank you very much. Thank you all.